Hey guys. Okay, so I don't know how great this lighting is. I think it's pretty white because it is currently like 5. Yeah. And since daylight savings, it's like literally like nighttime currently. So it's super dark and hopefully the lighting is alright.
It might be actually better than my other ones because it's actually like bright in here. But it's alright. It's okay.
So today, coming back with an update on Project Pan. Update number 2. I've added a couple things in and taken some things out and said I might have been taking some things out but actually didn't. But it's alright. I'm just gonna start with my Tarte palette. This not gonna look very much different, but not much different to you guys, but I'm gonna put in some pictures. So still in the picture there probably still might not be any difference, but I'm getting more use out of it, definitely. I don't know if I'll hit pan on the Royalty shade, the shade that I actually put in the project, which was Royalty, which is this brown shade. Not too sure if I'll actually hit pan by next month, but I mean it's looking pretty close. I don't know if it looks any different from when I showed you guys, but and if you remember last time there was like some product here, like I don't know what you call that, but I got rid of it. Like I had already hit pan, it was just like product that was like accumulating there and getting gross, so I cleaned that off because it was literally bothering me. And there was like some, it's called hard pan. People call hard pan when it like, I think it's like the oils like and things, I don't know, I don't really know, but I had heard that like if you took tape and put it over then it would get rid of it, and I literally just tried that and it works. It works. I thought like that's not gonna work, like really, it works. Now I've decided I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze my face with this. So I just bronze my face with it. The Tarte blush that I also said I'm gonna take out, probably gonna keep it and continue to work on it. I mean, probably not gonna hit pan for a really long time because you don't use much of it, even though I try to use like a lot of it because I love blush. But like I said, my goal is just to get rid of some of the design on it. To me personally, this is my biggest progress, I believe, which is the Mary Luminizer. And obviously here you're not gonna be able to see anything, but obviously I'm gonna put in pictures or videos or whatever. And there's a nice dip in here, I think personally. And like before when I didn't use it, there was like those little ridged lines on it. Can't really see that anymore. But yeah, there's a pretty good dip in it, so I think I'm gonna maybe not hit pan, but definitely be able to define that dip in there. Still going at the Sephora Lash Craft mascara. I think it's like almost at its end because it's getting gross and thick and clumpy, so I think it's looking at its final days. The Maybelline concealer. Sorry if I'm going really fast on this. I'm going fast, kind of, because I don't really want this video to be super long. I just want it to be straight and to the point, so yeah. So this one I have recorded. This was last time. This is now. Can't really see too much where it's at, so I'm guesstimating that that's where it's at right there, because obviously you can't really see. There's like, you see, there's like a clear spot where it's like separating. So that's where I was like, ooh. This little guy that I put in for the other one that I had, it was completely full and now I'm here. So I haven't been using this very much unless I remember to. The Fit Me Matte and Poreless, it's done. It's done. There's like the slightest bit like on the edges, and I'm trying to, if you can see, like I'm trying to scrape it out. But yeah, maybe like 1 or 2, because this is also super dark, so I'm using like probably like a dot of this. So 1 or 2 more dots, it'll be gone. Or with Rescue Spray. I didn't put this in my last one but I am working on this, and I also have the cucumber one, and there's my progress. But yeah, I use this every day. My e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and this guy. I honestly thought I wasn't really making much progress until today. I like put it up all the way, and like this is all I have left. This is all I have left. I was like, wow, I feel like that wasn't even like a month.
Actually, it wasn't a month because when I started this, it was like pretty much new and I had gotten a couple uses out of it.
I'm gonna say I have like 1 to like 1.5, 2 months out of these things. Cause dang, I mean, can't say much for $2. And then my ColourPop lippy sticks. This one is also, it's getting close to the bottom. Actually, really trying not to use this too much because they don't sell these anymore. So I'm like, oh, this is like my perfect brown shade, and I don't want it to finish, but I'll finish it. And actually, I think they have this on sale because they don't no longer sell it anymore. So they have this one on sale. So I definitely need to hurry up and buy that before it goes out. Or just find another brown shade, which takes me forever. Yeah, these stick items, I actually recorded like the length. Here is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Got a pretty good use out of that. And then here's the lippy sticks. So, I mean, that's pretty good progress, I think. Keep going at it. So, yep. That's my update on my products. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for the next update, which will be my last update in December. Hopefully I get enough use out of all these things, so like I said, I can go shopping because I'm waiting. I've done so good. Actually, truth be told, I actually kind of broke it slightly when I got that ABH Subculture palette, but I mean, I kind of feel good about it, but at the same time I feel guilty about it because obviously I bought makeup, but at the same time that palette is no longer being sold in like Sephora and Ulta, and it's like around like TJ Maxx's and stuff like that. I got mine at TJ Maxx.
For $25, it's like half the price, so like why wouldn't you get that? I feel like that's great. So
kind of feel guilty, kind of not, but other than that, that's the only thing I bought. So I think that's pretty good for me personally. I used to literally go to like Marshall's and like Walmart and Ulta and Sephora like literally like almost every day. But now I'm like, I mean, I still go like often, but I don't buy anything. I'm like, okay, don't buy anything, but you can pick out stuff. Like you can be like, okay, that's the next thing I'm gonna buy. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna say goodbye. Love you guys.